it is time I want to talk about insurance. For this insurance, capital consideration the funds derived from the various premium as the period of investment. For the insurance company, the insurance invests this lump sum into money market instrument. For instance, in stock mutual fund and other marketing channel, this helps generating income and profit for the business. It guards against the loss of capital of the company. Economic growth, insurance policy mobile domestic saving into providing financial stability, yet also directs growth towards loss mitigation due to damage or destruction for the insurance community. It not only adversely supports the risk but also promotes the rate of e-commerce but is in the fund. Saving habits, insurance policies help encourage saving habits among individuals. They give a portion of income to pay premium that will act as a reward for unknown future predicaments. Many insurance plans come as insurance come saving or insurance come investment schemes. This further encourages people to save and invest. Type of insurance cover, insurance policy can cover up medical expense, physical damage in loss in business or accident while traveling, etc. Life insurance and general insurance are the two major type of insurance cover. General insurance can further be classified into subcategories that scope in various types of policies. These are life insurance where one can avail the life insurance in order to protect the family due to premature death of the dead during the tenure of the policy. It provides the family with a lump sum when the insurance person meets with the untimely death. This helps the grieving family to battle with financial struggle that may also eat absent to breadwinner. Term insurance is the most common form of life insurance where you pay the premium for the preceding term. If you pass away within the plan period of the money you are insured is guaranteed to the family but is remained to the insurance company if you suffer another term policy tenure. All term plans, life insurance or endowment plans you want terminally as well as you plans or post-retirement plans also carry insurance cover. When is to pay the premium of the certain time, you reverse the promised amount that will be maturity. The family gets the upon the actual date of the insurance. Health term insurance is one among type of life insurance plans. Unit linked insurance plan is an investment insurance plan. The premium profits cover as well as the for the purchase of units of market-linked insurance, debt and other investment. This has the potential to profit or opportunity for wealth generation apart from the life cover profession. General insurance, non-life insurance policies account as general insurance policies that include insurance cover from home, auto, education, etc. as mentioned below. Health insurance, you can buy health insurance for yourself or your family that may include your spouse, parents, siblings, and children. Some insurance company have the use with a hospital, so here you can use your policy number to avail of service in neighborhood hospital. In other cases, you can claim reimbursement for hospitalization and treatment to check the cover of the type of disease or illness or health issue. Also verify what types of costs are covered. Education insurance can also cover investment scams. You pay premiums by the time your child is 18 years of age or certain age as decided by insurance policy. You can have a lump sum with coverage regulation that you can use for education purpose and not any other. This is an education calculator to estimate the amount you might need when the child grows up. Such calculators are often provided by insurance company or insurance offering sites. The parent or foster parents or legal regulation is the owner of the policy. Home or property insurance, if the major natural claims damage for your problem property of this policy can cover the financial loss and profit monetary loss due to death, fallouts, and or any other misclaim can be held. Motor or auto or vehicle insurance is one of the majority policy insurance types. First of all, it protects your available assets against road accident or any other damage and cover the loss. Secondly, the traffic rules suggest you get insurance preventing while driving. Okay guys, this is Chris' discussion about insurance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you next time.